Mga kabayan, panoorin ang pagpatuloy ng pagdinig sa Senate hearing ng Committee on Agriculture's Food and Agrarian Reform. Ang pagdinig na ito ay tungkol sa talamak na agriculture smuggling, kung saan isang tauhan ng Bureau of Customs Subic ang sinabon ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan. Pero bago ninyo panoorin, please like nyo muna ang video at mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Kalisihan, hindi ba required before umalis yung truck, merong examination ng 10% under your processes?
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Good morning.
Yung 10% po kasi medyo nag-ano na po kami din eh. Kaya po sabi namin,
Medyo nag-ano? Ano yung ano?
ano po sir, sabi po namin sa SUPIC, wag na pong i-10% kasi iwa 100% examination din naman po sa consignee's warehouse. Temperature sensitive po kasi, Mr. Chair, yung commodity. Nasa ano po siya, per container.
Do you have the discretion? Or is that not the law? That you have to have a 10% examination? Is that the law, or you're allowed discretion to forgo any 10% examination?
Your Honor, it's above my pay grade to decide because I'm only the deputy collector for assessment.
You decided, you just said earlier na you had to forgo the 10% examination. So you decided. Now you're saying it's above your pay grade to decide. So which is which?
No po sir, ano po Mr. Chair, yung pong port na po yung nag-decide. Kasi po kung magte 10% po sa SBITC.
Okay, if the port decided, is that decision consistent with what the law requires? Hindi, di ba? Kasi dapat may 10% physical examination, minimum. And then you go through the X-ray. Did it go through the X-ray?
Yes po, Your Honor. Bago po siya makalabas ng SBITC, nag-pass through po siya sa X-ray.
Sino yung X-ray operator? Anong pangalan?
The X-ray field officer assigned at the Port of Subic, Your Honor, is Mr. Jeffrey Gasilos.
Is he here?
Wala po ata.
Jeffrey
Gasilos po.
Casilos?
Jeffrey Gasilos.
Gasilos. Okay. Well, obviously, itong tatlong pinalabas, hindi na X-ray yun.
Na X-ray po, may X-ray image po yan bago lumabas. Hindi po makakalabas ng SBITC kahit isang container kung di po dadaan sa X-ray.
Hindi nga, wala ngang kumausap sa kanila, nilabas lang nila eh. Wala naman dumaan sa X-ray. At assuming dumaan sa X-ray, hindi nyo nakita na mackerel tsaka onions yung nasa loob, sinasabi nyo processed chicken poppers? Diba? Kung totoong dinaan sa X-ray, yung tatlong ito na sinasabi nila wala namang kumausap sa kanila, then you would have detected that it was mackerel, frozen mackerel and onions, not chicken poppers. Diba? So even assuming na in X-ray ninyo, ba't nakalusot? Ba't nakalusot? Tapos nung na-expect sa FTI, mackerel pala, tsaka onions. So again, uulitin ko, Mr. Kalisihan, butas-butas yung paliwanag ninyo eh. And then after the X-ray, dapat ini-track. Di ba? Oh, nag-oo ka, Mr. Mariano. Dati may e-tracking, di ba?
Dati po. Yung binyahe namin yun, walang e-tracking eh.
Yun.
Exempted po kasi siya, Mr. Chair, sa e-track eh. Kasi yung po declaration niya is finished processed food po eh, not raw agricultural products.
Hindi nga, kaya nga nung binuksan ng 100%, nakita yung mackerel tsaka onions eh. Tama? Hindi nga siya finished product kasi kung tinignan ninyo sa X-ray ninyo, makikita ninyo hindi siya chicken poppers.
We can have the copy of the X-ray image, Mr. Chair. We will submit.
Well, Mr. Maronilia, would you care to comment? Your Honor, malay ko ba kung yung X-ray printout nun hindi Photoshop? I don't know anymore because they're saying there was no X-ray. You're saying there was an X-ray. If you X-rayed it, ano ilalabas nyo sa amin? Ipapakita ninyo na yung X-ray nagpapatunay na chicken popper siya, ganun. Nung nakita nga sa FTI, hindi eh. Yes, Attorney Maronilla.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, these are all under investigation now by our intelligence group. We've already issued suspension orders for the personnel involved. And of course, they're already asked to explain the findings of some of our investigators, Your Honor. And we will consider part of that particular investigation, Your Honor, is the statement coming from the Department of Agriculture Inspectorate Service on this particular matter. And may we just manifest, Your Honor, that we do acknowledge all your observations, Your Honor. These are the same questions that are also being asked by the investigators of the Bureau of Customs. Thank you, Your Honor.
Si Mr. Again, Mr. Kalisihan, no? Sabi ninyo, they were subject under guard. Di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos sabi ninyo, hindi nyo alam yung mga pangalan nitong mga ito. Wala kayong information tungkol sa mga pangalan nila. So again, bakit wala kayong information ng pangalan nila?
Maybe, sir, the customs examiner assigned can explain. Kasi po, sir, sa ano ko, as deputy collector po, sir, ano ko na po para kunin pa yung mga
Ikaw nagsabi eh. Ngayon ituturo mo yung iba. Sinabi mo wala kayong listahan eh.
wala po, sir, yung office ko, wala pong listahan, sir.
Ikaw
Kasi-
ang ikaw ang nag-clear nito pero wala kayong listahan. Tapos ikaw ang nagsabing ito sa underguard pero paano mo i-underguard? Sinasabi nila.
For the record, Your Honor, I was not the one who cleared that entry, Your Honor.
Who cleared it? Who cleared it? Why can't you answer?
Your Honor, sa process po ng BOC, pagtapos po sa customs,
It's a very basic question. You said you didn't clear it. So who cleared it?
the customs appraiser assigned, Mr. Chair.
Who is? Why can't you mention the name? Why are you being evasive?
The customs appraiser assigned, Your Honor, is Miss Leslie Nacario.
Where is Leslie Nacario? Is she here?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So Leslie Nacario, Gubotan? Iba-iba ito. Okay, so can we invite Leslie Nacario for the next hearing? So, Mr. Kalisian, I hope you understand. Do you confirm that there was a mission order issued by the district collector?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And that the names of the personnel directed to underguard and examine the alert charges, you confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're familiar with that, but you're not familiar with who but you didn't clear it, no? And somebody else cleared it. Is she your subordinate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're saying this is also exempted from e-tracking.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Why?
Kasi po, Your Honor, yung pong HS code po nilang nagamit is hindi po siya e-tractable. Kasi po, Your Honor, pag po nag-file ka ng entry, bago po ma-process po ng examiner yon, kailangan po ng booking. Diyan po sa entry na yan, hindi po siya kailangan ng booking. Yung booking po, Your Honor, is for the e-track.
You also explained in the previous hearing, which is the Birches tracking. Iba yun, ano? Yung
Purchase goods
Yes.
purchase goods po.
Yes, you also claimed in the previous hearing, Mr. Kalisihan, that uh, that there was a delivery to be made, but Burgess claimed that they had no warehouse. You claimed that the delivery was to the Burgess warehouse. You said that
Yes po.
under oath. Now Burgess says they don't have a warehouse. So how were you lying to the committee?
No, Your Honor. Based on the mission order, Your Honor, the destination of the Burgess Consumer Goods Trading is 158 MacArthur Highway, Valenzuela. That's what's Your Honor. Yung pong naka-provide sa mission order.
Ganun ba kayo kaluwag? Na may mission order kayo, i-deliver sa isang lugar, kahit walang warehouse yung Burgess, kiniklaim nyo na may warehouse. Ganun ba kayo kapabaya? O wala talaga yung planong i-deliver sa mga warehouse? Baka yun yung totoo. Pinalusot ninyo, hindi ba? Nahuli, hindi ba? Yung pagpapalusot ninyo, hindi pala, at sinasabi ninyong na-examine, marami kayong kwento eh. Di ba? Baka yun talaga ang totoo.
No, Your Honor.
Of course, you will say no.
As far as Port of Subic is concerned po, po yan hindi po siya na-release. Hanggang po yan makabalik sa Port of Subic, nasa custody pa rin po ng Customs Port of Subic, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Kalisihan, nahuli kayo eh. Nahuli sila eh. Kung hindi natiktikan ng DA, nakalusot na yung tatlong yun eh. Wala, sinasabi ninyo, underguard. Walang underguard eh. You know, Mr. Kalisihan, I think you have to explain why you should not be cited in contempt for lying to this committee. This is a show cause. Why should we not cite you in contempt? We will give you a chance to explain yourself.
Itong agriculture smuggling ang talagang nagpapahirap sa mga magsasaka ng Pilipinas, kaya dapat matigil na ito para naman tumaas ang income at guminhawa naman ang buhay ng mga magsasaka dito sa Pilipinas. Dito sa video talagang magaling manghuli si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, kaya nanganganib na ma-cite in contempt ang taong ito, kaya abangan ang karugtong. Yun lang mga kabayan, maraming salamat sa time ninyo.